Good morning to all. In previous class, we discussed that if in a question there are multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, then we have to follow DMAS. Means first of all solve divide, then multiply, then addition, and in last subtraction. Now we will follow to our complete rule. BODMAS. In this type of question, brackets are given to you and the question is what we have to solve first. Let's know about bracket. B. B stands for bracket. There are three types of bracket. Number one, round bracket. Its name is round bracket. Number two, curly bracket. Its name is curly. You can draw it like this. And third one is big bracket. Its name is big bracket. In our questions, what we have to do? We have to solve the bracket first. We have to eliminate these brackets from this question one by one. First of all, solve round bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. Let's move how to solve the bracket. In this question, a round bracket is given to you and there is addition in the round bracket. Then we have to solve this round bracket first before multiplication like this, and in the next step eliminate this bracket, remove this bracket. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. Similarly, if off is given to you, 4 of 3 minus 2. Before subtraction, we have to do off. Off means multiplication. 4 multiplied by 3 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2, and your answer will be 10. Let's solve one more question with all brackets. Write the statement again. 126 divided by big bracket 24 minus curly bracket 15 minus round bracket 4 multiplied by 3, round bracket closed, curly bracket closed, big bracket closed. In this question, we have to solve round bracket first. There is multiplication, so we multiply first. And do not change the place of other numbers. 126 divided by big bracket 24 minus curly bracket 15 minus round bracket 4 3 are 12. Write 12 in round bracket, curly bracket, then big bracket. Now in the next step we will remove this round bracket. 126 divided by 24 minus curly bracket 15 minus 12. I have removed round bracket from here. Now solve curly bracket. There is subtraction in the curly bracket, so subtraction first. Now 126 divided by big bracket 24 minus, the answer of curly bracket is 3. Now remove curly bracket in the next step. 126 divided by big bracket 24 minus 3. Now solve big bracket 126 divided by 24 minus 3, 21. And now remove big bracket 126 divided by 21. Now we have to do divide. In previous class we discussed that solve the divide first, but in this question divide is out of the brackets, so we have to divide now. 126 divided by 21, the answer is 6. Thank you. Now solve a question. 60 minus big bracket start 46 minus curly bracket 14 divided by round bracket 8 minus 1, round bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close. In this question we have to remove all these three brackets one by one. First of all, round bracket 60 minus 46 minus curly bracket 14 divided by, the answer of this round bracket is 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Round bracket close, big curly bracket close, big bracket close. In next step, remove this round bracket. Try to understand clearly. 60 minus 46 minus curly bracket 14 divided by 7. Here round bracket is there, but in this step no round bracket is there. Now solve curly bracket. In curly bracket there is divide. 14 divided by 7. Answer is 2. 60 minus 46 minus, the answer of curly bracket is 2. Now remove curly bracket at next step. 60 minus big bracket 46 minus 2, big bracket close. I have removed this curly bracket from here, and now 60 minus 44, this is the answer of this big bracket. And now remove this big bracket, 60 minus 44, and your answer will be 16. Thank you.